Hello, it's Crafty Ria, and welcome to another video. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm glad you found me, and if you're returning, welcome back. If you haven't yet subscribed, I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button, and while you're there, give it a thumbs up if you like the video. I'm almost to 1,000 subscribers, and I'm really excited about that. I'll be doing a giveaway once I get to 1,000. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. Today I have some mail to open. I have some swaps or tags from the group Creativity Swaps Happy Mail and Friendship. It's a Facebook group. I have it linked below. And also I have winnings from Tinker Wonderland. If you haven't checked out her channel, go ahead and do so. I will also link that below. And I have a piece of mail that I'm not sure who it's from or what it is, but we'll find out when I open it. So we'll start off with my winnings. I entered the contests, or I guess the blog hop for the Christmas in July, and Tinker Wonderland was one of them, and I won one of her prizes. I also won another prize from someone else, but that hasn't gotten here yet. I feel so lucky to have won 2 goodies in that swap or hop. So this is from Tinker Wonderland. She is so sweet. Her channel is very, very cool. She has a couple of cats, and I just love to hear her speak. I love her voice and her accent. So here is my goodie bag. So she made these cute little pocket tag holders, and I'll open that in a minute and show you what's inside. And part of her prize was one of these, is this beautiful gold pens with this pearl at the top. It's very cool. And the other part of the prize is this folder with paper and sticky notes in it, which is very cool. I will use that on my work desk for sure. And then this little booklet is very, very cool. And in each, there's pages inside, and in each pocket there's some goodies. We have Let It Snow, some Christmas tags, which always come in handy. Very cool. Some of these things will be great to use with my recycled Christmas cards. And we have more Christmas tags. That's really cute. Very cool. I really like this idea. This book is beautiful. I like that tag a lot. And just some images and some to from tags, which could go on the back of a handmade tag, or you can just use it by itself. That's really pretty. Very glittery snowman, and the word hope, and another little tag. There's 2 more pockets. I love that one too. Season's Greetings, The Joy of Christmas. These are very, very cute. This is such a great idea. I can use this to store all of my tags too, not just these tags. Very cool. I like it. Thank you so much, Tinker Wonderland. Oops, wait, nope, I'm too early. There's 2 more pockets of goodies. Very nice. I like it. And that one has some gold trees. I like that. Metallic. Very cool. All right, that was the last page. And she has an eyelet there to hold this charm. It's a little angel charm. Very cool. I love the little charm. So there's that little book. And I will link her channel below. Go check her out. She's so sweet. And like I said, I love to listen to her voice. I could listen to her all day long. Okay, and then we have 2 envelopes from Tammy in the Creativity Swaps Happy Mail and Friendship Facebook group. And these are please deliver to labels, which always come in handy because you can put it on the front of your envelope. And it's the letter C tag for Care Bear labels. They're cute. I love Care Bears. Very cool. And there is one more from Tammy. And we have some stars, some tags. This is the single stamp Saturday. Every so often they'll do a swap where you just mail whatever you can put in an envelope for one stamp. And these are all of the goodies. There's some more. Please deliver to labels. And just some goodies. This little, it looks like a pool floaty unicorn. And this tractor is very cute. More please deliver to. And the llama, no drama llama. I like the little zebras, very cute. And this is a note card. It's very pretty. It looks like a vintage postcard on the front with an envelope, which is awesome. And some paper, some shiny star stickers. I can't talk. All right, so there we go. Awesome. A single stamp Saturday. Love that. And this was from Missy, and this was from the media mail tag or swap. You just had to send something media mail. And I have a little post office box, you know, the small one. They had this rolled up, so I'm hoping it didn't ruin it. It was, as you can see, the envelope. They had it rolled up into my little box. But I think it's okay. Hi, Maria. I hope you find this pad handy for when you go on your travels. Oh, yes. Pack this. Yes. Oh, and they're all pages. How did you know? I need this. Of course, we're not traveling now because of, you know, but when I travel, I always make a list of the things to pack. So that is really, really cool. It would also be good as an ephemera, you know, on a card or something like that. But that is really awesome. That's kind of neat. I do always make myself a list of things to pack, but here I can just check it off. That is awesome. I'm not going to be able to get it back in there. I'm glad the post office didn't ruin that by scrunching it up. And this is from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. There is no name on the outside, and it's addressed to Crafty Rhea. So we will find out what it is. This is for a swap. It's from Michelle and Lisa. It's a wish. One of my wishes. Awesome. Oh, yes, I did wish for drink mixes. That was one of the things. And this is lemon berry squeeze Hawaiian punch, which is good because my doctor says I have to have sour stuff. And this is green tea iced tea mix. Honey and natural lemon flavor. That's interesting. I've not had those before. And this is red tea peach. This is high C Flash and Fruit Punch. I love fruit punch. That's one of my favorites. And this is natural lemon iced tea. I do drink iced tea every morning. Oh, iced tea and lemonade, half and half, like an Arnold Palmer. I love Arnold Palmers. That is great. And this is a blue raspberry. I'll have to drink that when nobody's around because it'll make my mouth blue. But those are awesome. I'm going to enjoy those for sure. I'm going to put those back in here. And this looks like some washi. This says, that is really cute. Wish time. And it has her stamp on the back. I like that. I might have to enclose that in somebody else's wish. And we have washi tape. Look at all those beautiful glitter. They know me very well. They're Lisa's a viewer, and Michelle, they are viewers. And this washi tape is so pretty. Look at that. Let's see if I have something white to put it on. Very pretty, gold metallic, and then all of these glitter washies. That's going in my washi box. Love it. And this one has the hearts that is on clear. And then behind it there are these glittery washies. These are gorgeous. I absolutely love them. And this rainbow one, I love rainbow stuff. That is so pretty. And then those washies, that is awesome. Thank you so much, Michelle and Lisa. I really appreciate the wishes. And thank you everybody else that sent me all these wonderful goodies. I appreciate them very much. And as you know, these will go to good use. I will be definitely be showing these in future videos with things that I'm making. Thanks again, everybody, for watching. I appreciate all of you. Please go check out Tinker Wonderland's channel and go check out that Facebook group if you like to swap things, the Creative Swaps, Happy Mail, and Friendship. And then also, please check out my Facebook group, Create with Crafteria, if you're not there already. We have a blast over there. It's a great group of ladies. And thanks again for watching. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what your favorite thing was that I opened today. Thanks so much. Take care. And until the next video, go get crafting. Bye-bye.